everyone, I'm Hank. I'm a freshman at the School of Innovation. As you get closer to high school, you hear more about the School of Innovation, or SOI. But what exactly is it, and why does it have to do with all of you? When you enter 9th grade, you have a choice. You can go to Springfield High School or the School of Innovation. You're still a Springfield City School District student and a member of the Wildcat family, but SOI is another option to your typical high school experience. The best part is there's something here for everyone. But just don't take it from me. Take a look at what my classmates here at SOI said about why they love being here.
My name is Colin Bostic and I am a sophomore. My main reason of coming to SOI was because it was a smaller school, but also because it had a ton of things for my future here, like different programs that other schools don't offer. We've done stick welding so far, but we're only 2 months in and we're sectioning it. So right now we're doing MIG welding, which is the project that's behind me, but we are doing that and we have learned the different kinds of welding, how to read a 1/4 inch. We're learning how to read rulers just so we can have that for future thing, and that helps us get hired if we need to. SOI offers phlebotomy, carpentry, welding, drones, and electrical. We will go to the main office and we'll wait for the bus, and then we take the bus at around 8:45-ish to then come here at the dome, and then there's a carpentry class and a welding class. Well, I like the look of it, I like the welding, I like the instructor, I like everything. It looked fun, and before I was going to go in culinary, but then not to mention this has pretty good money in it. This is actually a really good career option. I'm very interested in becoming certified in welding.
My name's Jade Bozoff. I'm a sophomore. I wanted to do patient care because it sounded fun, and I wanted to experience what you do as a doctor and how you can get it set up in the future. The most interesting thing that I have done so far is doing the blood pressure and vital signs, where you can do it on other students here. You can check their blood pressure, the temperature, and all this other stuff. It is preparing me for my future. I'm not really looking for being a doctor, I'm looking for to be a vet, but it's helping me do more things so I learn about animals and how we can do stuff on humans as well.
I'm Anaya McGowan, and I'm a sophomore. Miss Goldie, she's funny and nice. She has really good humor, and she's really sweet to everyone. And she's really chill. I think people should come to SOI to take patient care, not just because it's a fun class, but also you can learn how to be a nurse or a vet in their future life. I wanted to do it because I wanted to be like my mom, who works in the medical field and nurse. I also want to get older. I either want to continue being a nurse or be a vet like my friend.
I'm Ace Field and I'm in 11th grade. My skills have definitely gotten better than when I started. And when I fly, I'm usually calm and level-headed. And I have my drone ID, so I can now do work with my drone. I've learned with the drone you need to have situational awareness and be aware of the sky, but not just the sky, but as well as your surroundings and people and cars and whatnot. I want to use my drone skills in the police force and use my drone skills to help find missing people, or if I need to survey an area to find a runaway person.
I'm Chief. Okay, one set ahead. One set ahead.
My name is Aymara Salguero. I am a junior in high school, so I'm in 11th grade. I started ROTC my freshman year. I like ROTC because it's definitely we're all in it together, and because after high school I plan on going to the military. I think one thing I was worried about transferring here was that I wouldn't be able to do the program again, but thankfully they have this thing, it's called 0 hour, and so it helps us to be able to do something that we like to do at another school and then come back here and take our course classes. The high school bus picks me up around 6:30 a.m. and I get to school at 6:50-ish. The class starts at 7:20. I go in the class ends at 8:10. As soon as the class is over, so as soon as the whole period's over, the bus is already outside waiting for us, so we get in the bus and then we're headed back to our school. And by the time that we come back from the high school, SOI is already having breakfast.
My name is Jordan Clausen, and I'm a freshman. I started playing the violin in 8th grade, and what's special is with 0 period, I can learn a lot more things with my violin and hopefully go to a successful career with the violin.
My name is Peyton Green. I play soccer and I am in 10th grade.
My name is James Crisp. I'm in 10th grade. For bowling, you just go through the normal day. If you have a game, you leave early 7th period. That's only if you have a game. If you have practice, you get to stay the whole day so you don't miss anything.
For soccer, depending on your practice time, if your practice time is earlier, you can leave early on the activity bus. If not, you stay the whole day. But if you have games early, you leave on the activity bus.
My name is Adriana McClure. I'm a junior at School of Innovation. Me personally, I work 2 jobs, and they offer half days for people who work jobs, and that opens half your day, which either you can work, or if you don't work some days, then you can even do CCP. CCP is College Credit Plus, and it opens a lot of college classes that you can get credits for high school credits as well as college credits. And it just allows you to get a head start in your career that you want to do. Currently, I'm taking English 2. Last year, I took an English 1 class, and then I plan on taking a communications class as well. I want to be a veterinarian, so I'm taking all my basic classes, like my English, my social studies, and my sciences, so that way when I graduate high school, I just have to do my main courses, which allows me to knock off some years to do.
My name is Jada Jennings. I am in 10th grade. The library was a project that we put together because all of us wanted a library like other schools. So we had donation for all the books in here, and they got us a lot of books. Miss Nagash got a group together and we stacked books up, and Mackenzie was a big part of the help in the library too. She really helped Miss Nagash a lot too, just put the whole library together. I'm happy. I'm not a big reader, but I found a book that I like, so that was exciting because I was shocked that I'm reading. And I get to hang out in here sometimes, and we get to do lighthouse activities, so that was fun when we did the Legos and stuff.
So, what do you guys think? Ready to see everything that SOI has to offer? I encourage you to reach out to your teachers, principals, or even the staff here at SOI if you have any questions. I can't wait to see you when you visit the SOI campus later this year. Go Wildcats!